Good morning, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so let's see what happens. All right, have 500 shares out there to buy at 10.51, 500 shares to short at 18.35. Although seeing this, I'm going to go ahead and put that up to 49 on EXAS, which is the chart we're watching over here. So let's see if the price can get up there or not. I want more than 500 shares, but I'm just going to ease my way into the position. Obviously, this thing is moving pretty strong right now, so you don't want to throw everything in at one shebang. So again, still have ETRM out there. Let me grab this so I can actually point out what's going on. If you're not familiar with the screen, so there's my orders. So I have a couple orders out there, one to buy, one to short. So that's currently what I'm looking at. We'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. All right, I picked up some ETRM at 12.51. We'll look to take a quick, I just gave it to me, 40 cents. Or build bigger on a pullback, but I guess it decided to give me the 14 cents, which equated to $70 there. So I'll look to do the same thing here. Well, at this point, I'll do my first entry at 11.75. So we'll see if it can get down there, back down through 12. So again, looking to try to play the pullback here, which it got down close there. Got down to 11.85, so I was about 10 cents off. So we'll see if it can pull back down there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, it's looking like this one wants to break 13, so I'm going to get in at 13. Oh, whoops. Well, that's not what I meant to do. All right, let's adjust. Did not mean to sell there for 4 cents, but let's see if I can get a pullback here. Okay, let's try 12.40 there. So that was definitely an operator error on my part. I suppose looking at it right now, that was a decent move since it did, it's sub 13 again, but full disclosure, I did not mean to do that. So, but oh well. Operator errors happen. If you've watched my past videos, you know that that wouldn't be the first time it's happened to me. But just got to keep on moving, rolling with the punches. So I got, I don't know, 20 bucks out of that. No. Yeah, 20 bucks. If I made 4 cents, 5, 10, 50, yeah, 20 bucks. Give or take. Let's see if we can get a pullback down to 12.40 area. I will pause it and keep you updated. All right, looking to pick up some at 13.65. Just 500 shares. Just trying to go with the trend here. But if it wants to pull back some, I want to buy some more. So we'll see what happens. Okay, got those. So if it wants to give me a quick $50, I'll take it. But like I said, I'm willing to buy some more and go with the trend here. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, this one has been quite strong, so I have no problem picking more up as, buying a little pullback here. So we'll see if it can get back. Like I said, either wants to give me put some more down there at 13.25 to buy. Nope, I guess it just wanted to give me the 50 bucks quick. So another $50 there. Still have that. I'll keep that order. I might as well just get rid of that 12.25 at this point. But if it does want to pull back, have the order down there at 13.25 to pick up some more. So 25 minutes in the day, up 138 bucks. So nothing huge, but I'm not going to complain about that either. Let's see if it can break down through 1350. I'll have an order down there at 1325, like I said. All right, I wanted to at least capture the break at 1350 so we could see how it moved. But all right, here we go. Let's try to keep it rolling, but I don't want there to be a bunch of just downtime waste. All right, I'm going to pause it. I'll try my best. If it looks like 1350 is going to fail, I'll try to get it recording. Okay, looking for it to pick up some shares there at 1380. Wants to break down through 14 here. I know what you're thinking. Why don't you just buy and then hold? Well, keep in mind you're asking that question with hindsight in your favor. So if I knew that this move was going to happen, which looking at other time frames is quite overextended, then yeah, I'd just be buying at the highs. But I want the price to pull back to me. And again, I fully realize that waiting for it to pull back to me looks stupid as it keeps going up. But you have hindsight in favor. At the time that I'm making this decision to buy at 1380, I don't know if this thing's going to continue on up to 1550 right now or not. If I did, then of course I would buy right now. So I will pause it and keep you updated. All right, so this thing's going to at least test 15, so I'm going to go ahead and pick some up right there. And because I think it'll at least test 15, I'll take the shares there. And it got through 15, wasn't sure on that. Was very confident that it would at least test it, so got a quick 14 cents there. Still have my orders down at these other areas. I want to see a flush. A good panic pullback here would be fantastic. So that's where I'm holding out hope for at this point in time, that there's a panic, people freak out, start selling. I can try to gobble some shares up down there, but it looks like it just wants to keep on going. So yeah, that from our last little discussion, had I known this was going to happen, yeah, I would have for sure just bought right then and there at 14.25 when it was still overextended at that point. But that's why I guess we're all rich in our hindsight trading accounts, right? Hindsighttrader.com. Our accounts are always very green there. So it's now 10:01. So 30 minutes in, $208. I'm happy with that. By no means anything gigantic, but yeah, just kind of just playing this trend here. We'll see if it wants to pull back yet or not. Nice. Though there's a little alert from the chat room. Somebody saying nice heads up to me. Just pulled some from ETRM. I'm looking down here. And re-entered for more. So good job to Dim. He's a longtime member. There we go. There's a pullback here. So let's see if we can get this to pull back some more. I'll keep you updated. All right, here is the pullback that I was wanting. Let's see if I can get down there to 1380 though. It went as low as, well, doesn't make any sense. Went as low as 1377, but I didn't get any shares, so that, I don't know. Well, I didn't get any shares, so we'll just leave it at that. We'll see if it wants to pull back some more though. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Okay, I missed that, but there we go. So I missed the entry point at 1505, happened in the blink of an eye, and then you can see I took my quick $50 again, so up 258. Gonna try 1475 here. Get on any pullback. So we'll see if it can break down there through 15. On the pullback here, I just never got any shares. After the one where I couldn't figure out exactly why I didn't get filled, I lowered my entry point, and then it never went quite down as low as I wanted. So I missed hindsight again. I should have just left it as it was, and it would have played the nice bounce there, but it is what it is. Still up 258 though on it. So let's see if it wants to pull back below 15 or not. I will. Wow, we're almost at 10 minutes for the video. All right, I'm going to less talking and just try to capture more action. Okay, it's pulling back here again, was getting close. Again, 1475 is the number I'm looking for, and back up to above 15 it goes again. While I'm thinking of it, the big question I always get in regards to these live trade videos is, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks that you're actually trading? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So ETRM, for example, how did I find that? Like I said, put out together all the tools. So if you're interested and think it could maybe add some value to you as a trader, go ahead and click right there and I will email you the guide. Again, totally free. Okay, looking to see if I can get filled there at 1437. Totally playing games with me right now. Just happen to stop right at 1438. Fantastic. That is frustrating. I'll fully admit that was frustrating to see. Let's see if it wants to give me to me. There we go. So I'll take $60 quickly, or if it wants to let me get build some more, then I will gladly do that. But I like to see kind of this panic-ish type move here. So we'll see how deep it wants to pull back, or maybe not pull back that much at all. Okay, so it's giving me 280. So all out there for $60 more. So does 1020 up $318. If this panic wants to continue on, I'm willing to buy at 1380. So we'll, wow, almost, all right. No talking. Next order at 1380. I'm going to go ahead and just wrap things up. So this was kind of more so a methodical 318. If you've watched my past videos, you've seen that I've made 318 bucks in literally a matter of a few minutes here. 40 minutes to make 318. So it just goes to show that every morning, every day is going to be different in the life of a trader. Sometimes your strategy is going to yield you very, very quick profits. Like I said in past videos, 300 bucks, 250 bucks, 400 bucks in a matter of literally minutes, and a couple times actually just seconds. But in this situation, took me almost an hour to get up to $318. So I'm not complaining about 318. The point here, and as again, for you longer time watchers know, I'm always trying to tie some sort of educational lesson in here. So the big thing here is one day a strategy may be very quick to give you profits. Other days you may have to just work and take more of a methodical approach and just take the market as it comes to you. So hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you kind of just some friendly reminders. If you did find this video helpful, then please click that like button. That's the easiest way to just communicate to me that, hey Clay, I enjoy these. Please keep making them. Check out the remainder of the channel too. Lots of other videos, and hopefully you ultimately decide to subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other team members, you can go to claytrader.com and check out the inner circle. That includes a live chat room, weekly newsletter. And then if you want to learn how to trade with charts, you can go to, again, claytrader.com. I offer many courses on that. So thanks for watching. If you're still listening right now, bless your hearts. I mean, this is a 13-minute video, so I truly appreciate it. See you next week.